Hello guys, if you have been looking for how to trade spikes successfully, then you're going to enjoy today's video, because in today's video we'll be looking at how to trade spikes. 100% spikes trading strategy for boom and crash part 2. Okay, it's the continuation of what we had yesterday. Okay, in my last video, it's the continuation of what we had in my last video, but you're going to enjoy this because I'm going to show you how to start the trend from the beginning and continue with it to the very end without losing your profit again. I'm going to repeat that again. I'm going to show you how to start the trend from the beginning and continue with it till the end of the trend. Okay, it's a whole lot of unique strategies that you can put in place and make some profit with it. Okay, so I'm going to do that in this video. Okay, but first, before going fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a channel which I used to share with you my ideas on how to make some money online. Okay, most especially in the forex niche. Okay, and if you're a newbie, you can, or if you are new to this channel, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. Make sure you do your personal findings and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first before you try it out on your real account. This is very, very vital. Okay, and also, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you have any question at all, or probably you would like to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and you'll also find them in the description box below this video. And you can also join the Telegram channel so that you can benefit more from some of my freebies that I do upload there. Okay, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it. So quickly, let's get into today's video. But before doing that, let me quickly do a few market analysis. Okay, I'm starting with boom 1000, presently on downtrend. I'm using the signal indicator. You can see the yellow line shows that the market is on downtrend, so we can follow the signal that supports the trend, which is a sell signal, and it's been selling since then. So if you should check, we got our sell signal here and got broken from the line, which is serving as support. Okay, it's just spiked up now. This is 39-minute candles before it spiked up. It spiked up because it is already at day's support level, so we should expect it to spike up around there. So if you had been in the market, you were expected to exit the market before it gets to the support level. So as you can see, it always spikes at the support level. It has spiked there around here, and it did the same thing here, and check it out, it was unable to break it successfully again, so it spiked up again. So let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. For crash 1000, it is presently on uptrend after this series of drop down candles that occurred. Okay, now going on uptrend, but as you can see, the exit arrow is out already. So if you are in the market, you are expected to exit the market because it can spike any moment from now. Okay, so this is where I expect it to come in after the market is very foul. So this is actually, I must have given you 31-minute candles before this exit arrow pops out. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with boom 500, and I'm using the QDC scraper indicator for this. Presently boom 500 is on downtrend, and it has been selling ever since, although there are spikes in between, but it is more of selling and than buying. Okay, so make sure you do your analysis very well before you go into it. And as for crash 500, it is trying to go on downtrend, but it is yet to decide fully. Okay, so do your analysis before you jump into it. So I'll be stopping here with my analysis. If you have any question, feel free to contact me as I go into today's video fully. Okay, and remember, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. So like I said, 100% spikes trading strategy for boom and crash part 2. Okay, if you missed the part 1, you need to check the channel for the first part of this video so that you will benefit more from it. So let's go into part 2, okay, fully. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's check it out. So this is it. Okay, let me quickly show you this. This will amaze you. Okay, you're going to love this. Okay, it's a unique strategy entirely. Like I said, for you to trade the spikes, you must be used to red, and for you to trade the spikes, you need to consider the trend first. Okay, so right now the trend here is telling us that we should be getting ready for a buy action. Okay, so you can see the arrow popping up, so you should be getting ready around there. Then you can see that the on the main chart it is already around the support level. You can see the support line here. It is, though, even though it is an untested one, but it is unique for you to take note of it. Okay, then also you can see the buy arrow, so we wait for the buy arrow to show up. It has shown up here, so since it is up here, then this is where our entry point should be. So that is why I'm putting this horizontal line there as our entry point. So this is our entry point. This strategy, it will actually help you to trade for a very long time, especially if you're having good trading capital. You can make lots and lots of money with this, so you're going to be surprised with this. Okay, so this is our entry point. So I'm going to introduce two more horizontal lines. Okay, and I'm going to change the colors. The entry point is the entry point, we are having white color as our entry point. Then let me use this. No, I'm using a black background, so let me use something unique. Okay, I'll be using this, and I'll also be using a red color. Okay, I'll also be using a red color. Okay, these are the lines that we'll be using. This white one is our entry point, then this green one will be our current action price. Okay, so it spiked up from here to this level. Okay, isn't it unique? Of course it is. So immediately you don't know if it will continue spiking or not. Of course it is at a support level. There are ways to know about it, but you don't know for how long, and you don't want to lose all your money back again. Okay, so what you should do is to introduce your stop loss to it. Okay, you can put your stop loss here, and your stop loss. Okay, let me quickly say this. Most of you will ask me the same question again, because I'm telling you to introduce your stop loss. That can stop loss work for boom and crash? Of course it can work for boom and crash, but only when you are trading spikes. When you are trading against the spike, it won't work for it. Okay, it can't hold the spike. The forces behind the spike is too much for stop loss to hold. Okay, so don't use it when you are trading normally. Only use it when you are trading spikes, because the candles that are being created are created gradually. So once it gets to the stop loss, there's no force pushing it, so it's just close your trade for you at that point. Okay, so so you introduce your stop loss. So what that will do for you is your stop loss will keep some profit for you, which will not be exposed to the market. Okay, in case there is a reversal in price action and probably you are not online, so it will help you to keep some profit from you and expose just a little amount of your profit to the market. Okay, so that will save you a lot of stress from losing your money or your profit. Okay, so once the stop loss gets to, once the price action move downward and gets to the stop loss, you'll be taken away from the market, keeping the profit from here to your entry points for you. Okay, that is the way it works. It helps you to lock up your profit. Okay, so right here it spikes up to this level again. What do? You adjust your stop loss again to somewhere here, so which means the margin between your entry point and your stop loss has increased, so your profit margin has also increased. This came down a bit to this level. You can see it came down a bit to this level, spiked up again, didn't go above where you were before. came down again, but this time around spiked up to this level and to this level. So you can adjust your stop loss again to somewhere here. Okay, you can see that the profit margin is increasing, so this can help you go for long. Okay, because it was playing around there, didn't get to the stop loss. You can see it tried to get to the stop loss here, but it didn't get there before it spiked up because it is around the support. The stop loss is just below the support level. Okay, so it spiked up again and came down and spiked up. This time around it has moved upwards, so you can adjust your stop loss to somewhere here again. Okay, you can adjust your stop loss to somewhere here again. So check it out, you adjust your stop loss, and this actually came down. It came down to this level. It has gotten to your stop loss, so you will be taken out of the market. Okay, you will be taken out of the market. Check out the profit you have actually made for yourself doing that, and you can do that on and on and on and on till the end of the trend. You can see that you almost got to the end of the trend, but if it didn't get to your stop loss there and it went up again, you would have gotten to the end of the trend before you exit the market successfully. So that is how you can use the stop loss to throw your boom and crash successfully. It is beautiful. It is something unique that you should look into. So I'll be stopping here for now. I want you to practice this on your demo account and see how it works, and if you are able to trade successfully using this strategy, then you can try it out on your real account. You can also ask questions if you want. If you need more clarification, just contact me on WhatsApp and ask your question, and we will try that out together. And remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then,